So मैंने आपके बहुत सारे videos, your albums, your songs, and it is also great to see you have collaborated with some wonderful names in the music industry. So how did it all begin? कैसे शुरुआत हुई आपकी?
Actually, I got my break from Vikram Bhatt sir's web series Maya 2,
Okay.
and there I got my debut as a music director and a singer.
Nice, okay.
Yeah, and somehow, I mean, by God's grace, Mumbai has been kind. That journey kept on going, and in the journey, in the musical journey, I got through the fantastic artists like Neha Kakkar, Ankit Tiwari, Yasir Desai, Ashish Kaur. One of my songs that's going to come from
Nice.
has been sung by Ashish Kaur, and many other artists. So truly humbled, and it's all a musical journey. Like in your questions that coming forth to me, I'll keep on answering all.
Of course.
शुरू से मन में एक था कि मुझे म्यूजिक में जाना है.
Okay.
And initially I came to become a singer. So एग्जाम हुआ एंड आई वाज लाइक आफ्टर माय पेरेंट्स बिकॉज आई एम द सिंगल चाइल्ड. सो थोड़ा मनमानी भी प्यार से चलता है पेरेंट्स के साथ. आई सर अभी मुझे वो करना है, मैंने पढ़ाई कर ली है, अब मुझे वहाँ जाना है मुंबई. सो माय पेरेंट्स आर वेरी वेरी सपोर्टिव, टच वुड, एंड दे गॉट मी हियर. We had no links, we had no contacts.
Okay.
And it's very surprising, but let me tell you, like, being, I am a girl, so daughter के parents होना, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती पेरेंट्स की. बट स्टिल दे टुक आई मीन आई कांट से कैसा वो रिस्क था. वी डिडंट नो एनीबडी. वहाँ से सीधा माय पेरेंट्स गॉट द ट्रक लोडेड विद all the things, and we were here ready to flight. And जब इधर लैंड करे we did not know where to go. So like my dad was asking the cab driver कि भाई फैमिली के लिए कौन सी अच्छी जगह है जहाँ we can stay here. They told गोरेगांव में जगह है. We stayed there. Then my dad called up the truck, the loaded truck driver कि भाई इस वाली जगह आ जाओ.
अच्छा.
We found a flat here. उसी समय हमने रेंट करा and then we were here.
Oh, okay.
Like that is how it all started, at all risk of my parents.
Okay.
And they were taking for me because we had no contacts.
Right.
And the only motivation that was my singing for my parents कि बेटी talented है. She has that passion in her. Music is her life. And my parents were my support. That was the only thing.
How did you start approaching the production house? Ki I am so and so, I'm here to be a star, right? And here is my work. How did that happen?
This is again a very interesting story. Actually, where I left the topic was like I came here to be a singer initially.
Right.
I did not know who a music composer is, or a music director. I knew. I mean, I was not into that. अभी सिंगिंग करने तो आ गई, लेकिन जैसे मैं इधर आई आफ्टर टेकिंग दैट रिस्क, एक साल हुआ क्या कि माई थ्रोट गॉट चोक बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर कंडीशन इन मुंबई, पहाड़ी and here it's drastic farak, and because of that it so badly got choked that when I approached the doctor advised me to stay on vocal rest for 1 year.
Oh my god. Okay.
So he told either you can sing right now or you lose your voice. I mean for the future. Either you keep quiet right now or you lose your voice. So
that would have been very difficult for you.
Very difficult actually. So what my mom told me that you keep that hosla in you and nothing. So I still have that whiteboard in which I used to write for 1 year continuously what I kept on thinking. And my mom used to read it and she used to translate it.
Okay.
All that kept on going at that time.
Oh, that's nice. And what you used to write?
Anything that I wanted to say.
अच्छा, तो एकदम चुप हो गई थी आप?
एकदम चुप हो गई थी.
अच्छा, तो आप बस सब कुछ लिख के ही. Okay.
And my mom, my pillar of strength, वो समझती थी.
हाँ. वो सारा mode of communication.
Mode of communication.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
And what age was this?
I was very young at that time.
Okay. I'm not asking your age. You're totally young, so don't worry.
So I was very young.
Right. अगर graduation finish किया है तो you are not beyond 20, 21, so don't worry. Okay. And after that, I don't want to know.